If you want to remove objects from photos on Google Pixel 9a with your magic eraser, so first of all, open up your gallery. Let's open up our gallery. There it is. So choose your photos. Let's press Edit right here at the bottom. Now locate your Tools tab and locate your magic erase. So give your phone some time to load everything up. Great, now let's circle or brush the area to erase. Great, there it is, it's erased. So if the result is not satisfying you, you may try this more than one time. Better now. Let's do it third time. Well, almost perfect. So you have to play with it yourself and see when you'll get the result. Let's press Done. Press Save Copy. And now you can find the erased version of your photo right in your gallery, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.